In recent years, the advent of AI and automation has dramatically reshaped the job landscape, creating a paradigm shift in how we work and what skills are in demand. These technologies have automated routine tasks, but more importantly, they've also spawned a host of new roles and opportunities, particularly in IT and computer science. This evolution is not just about displacement, it's about transformation and opportunity. The IT sector, already pivotal, is expanding even further, opening new pathways in areas like AI development, machine learning, and more. As technology continues to advance, the demand for skilled professionals in these areas is skyrocketing, making IT and computer science fields more essential than ever. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a real game changer in the job market. While there's a lot of talk about AI replacing jobs, it's crucial to note that it also creates them. Industries from healthcare to finance are scrambling to hire AI specialists who can drive innovation and efficiency. The demand for machine learning engineers, AI researchers, and robotics engineers is particularly high as companies seek to leverage these technologies to gain a competitive edge. This surge is not temporary. It's a significant shift towards more intelligent and automated solutions in every sector, making expertise in AI and machine learning more valuable than ever. If you're intrigued by the idea of teaching machines to learn and make decisions, this could be your field. As our dependence on technology grows, so does the importance of cybersecurity. With every new technological advancement, the risks and threats evolve, creating a constant demand for cybersecurity professionals. Companies and governments are investing heavily in securing their data and systems, making cybersecurity one of the hottest fields in IT. From ethical hackers to security analysts, the roles are varied and vital. The work is not only about protecting data, but also about ensuring the resilience of infrastructures against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. This is a field where you can make a real difference, providing security and peace of mind in an interconnected world. In this digital age, data is the new oil. Businesses across all sectors generate vast amounts of data, and they need experts who can turn this data into insights. Data scientists and analysts are at the forefront of this demand. They use statistical techniques, machine learning, and predictive analytics to extract actionable insights from complex data sets. This role is crucial in decision-making processes, helping businesses optimize operations, understand customer behaviors, and predict trends. Whether in retail, banking, or healthcare, data science skills are increasingly seen as essential, and the career opportunities are abundant. Software engineers and developers are truly the architects of the digital world. As technology evolves, so does the need for innovative software solutions. This demand spans across all sectors, from mobile apps to enterprise software. The role of a software developer is not just about coding. It's about problem solving, designing user-friendly interfaces, and creating software that meets the ever-changing needs of users and industries. With the proliferation of mobile technology and the expansion of the Internet of Things, software development remains a robust field with endless opportunities for creative and skilled individuals. Cloud computing has revolutionized how businesses operate, offering scalable, cost-effective solutions that enhance operational efficiency. As more organizations migrate to cloud-based solutions, the need for cloud computing experts has surged. These professionals manage and develop cloud infrastructure, ensuring businesses can access their data securely and efficiently. From cloud architects to DevOps engineers, the opportunities in cloud computing are expansive and crucial in today's digital landscape. This field not only promises growth, but also innovation, as companies continue to seek more agile and secure cloud solutions. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is more than just smart home devices. It's a transformative technology that's reshaping industries. From smart manufacturing to connected healthcare, IoT is creating a new layer of connectivity and efficiency. The demand for IoT specialists who can design, implement, and manage these interconnected systems is booming. This field combines various disciplines, including sensor technology, network solutions, and data analytics, making it a dynamic and exciting career path. For those fascinated by the potential of connected devices to transform everyday life, IoT offers a playground of opportunities. The gaming industry is not just about entertainment. It's a vast ecosystem involving developers, artists, and technologists. With the industry's growth, opportunities in game development have soared. From indie developers to major gaming studios, the demand for creative and technical talent is higher than ever. Game developers not only create immersive experiences, but also push the boundaries of technology and storytelling. This field is ideal for those who want to combine their passion for gaming with a lucrative career, exploring new frontiers in virtual reality, augmented reality, and beyond. In the ever-evolving landscape of IT and technology, staying adaptable and continuously learning are key to securing a successful career. Whether it's keeping up with the latest trends in AI, cybersecurity, or cloud computing, the opportunities are vast for those willing to evolve with the industry. Dive into these thriving fields, arm yourself with knowledge and skills, and you'll not only future-proof your career, but also play a part in shaping the future of technology.